Making a withdrawal is one of the most important parts of participating in a passive crypto platform. And today I'm going to be making a withdrawal from Ventrobi. Now I'm going to let you guys know exactly what happens when I make this withdrawal. I'm going to show as much as I can as I go through the process on this video. So I want you guys to stay tuned through the entire video. Now my name is Anthony Deloach and I want to welcome you to my channel where I share my participation in high risk, mid-risk, and even some low-risk platforms in the passive income cryptocurrency and foreign exchange space. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto platform review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the back office of Ventrobi. Now I'm going to do a little brief walkthrough so you guys can see what's going on. Now when you come into the dashboard, you're going to see the information right at the top, which is going to show your balance, your total stake, and your withdrawal. I don't have a withdrawal yet because I have not withdrawn yet. Also to the right, you're going to see your network or grow your network, and it's going to have your link there that you can share with other people, and you can just copy it out right there. Now it says Ventrobi is trailblazing a new path with crypto trading. Get in on the action. It's going to give you an opportunity to stake now with that button. Then it's going to go down to your portfolio. This portfolio is really the funds that you have available to be paid out to you, the profits that you've earned from the platform. And since I started with USDT TRC20, my balance is being paid in USDT TRC20, and this is where my balance is, and this is where I will be able to withdraw from. So I'm going to do that in just a second. Now you see there's several other tabs on the left side where you have your staking, your active stakes, your withdrawal, your account history, your swap. This is good. So if you want to swap, I believe you can swap between the different cryptocurrencies that are available here. I'm going to click on this just to make sure so I can give you guys confirmation. And yes, you can go in here and exchange. If I have USDT TRC20, I believe I can exchange that for another coin if I want to do that. And I can exchange it for another coin within the back office. Now there is a 4% exchange commission. So it's best to get started in the cryptocurrency that you want to stay in and that you want to withdraw in to save yourself some money. You don't want to pay any money unnecessarily, all right? Now they do have a coming soon spot where you will be able to see the trades that are happening for the platform. You have also your affiliate program. You can open a ticket, and you have your settings, your security, and leave a review. Now, let me tell you guys, one of the most important things here is that you do set up your security. That means your 2FA. There is a video that shows you how to do that in the academy for the platform. So I encourage you to go look at that to make sure that you're being very safe. Do not share your password with anyone. And please make sure that you set up 2FA so that you're not getting hacked. And I want to make sure that you guys are doing that. I'm actually going to go ahead and do that as well. Now, on the dashboard here, you see I have a total balance of $70. I'm going to go ahead and go to this withdrawal section. When I go to this withdrawal section, it's going to show me all the different coins within the portfolio. But as I told you guys earlier, that my token is Tether TRC20, and I need to go ahead and set up this wallet. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and set up this wallet really quick. Once I set up this wallet, I'm going to come back and let you guys know exactly what's going on and show you the rest of the process. Okay, now I have went ahead and set up my withdrawal address that I'm going to withdraw to in TRC20. So I have that all set up. So I am ready to go forward with processing this withdrawal. So I'm going to go ahead and I blurred this out so nobody will be looking at my info, my withdrawal address, that type of stuff. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and process this withdrawal. I'm going to request the entire $70 here for my withdrawal. Let me put that in here. The minimum withdrawal is $5. Remember that. I love that. There's so many platforms that have high withdrawal request limits, or you have to request $100, $30, something like that. But this is only $5. Which makes it a program for everyone, right? And so let me go ahead and confirm this withdrawal. Let's see what step it goes to after this. Now it's going to go through this page right here. And give me 1 second while I look at it and see what this page is saying, because it blurred out the entire page for me. But I'm going to look at it and let you guys know exactly what's on this page. Okay, what they were doing is just confirming my withdrawal information, the amount, the address it's going to, and they were also letting me know that they do not charge any fees for withdrawal. So, that's pretty cool. Glad that they did that. That's pretty sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and process this withdrawal here. Boom, it says we have successfully received your withdrawal request. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now, while I'm waiting on this to see how long it takes for me to get those withdrawal, and by the way, I did receive an email when I did anything on the platform, and I just received the email that I did a withdrawal. So that's actually a good thing. I like getting email notifications, all right? But while I'm waiting on that, what I'm gonna do is go over to this nice FAQ page to see if they talk about the withdrawals and how long it actually takes. So let's go to stake and withdrawal, and I'm gonna look and see I know what the minimum withdrawal amount is, and it's how often can you make a withdrawal. So you may withdraw at any time as long as you have a minimum of $5 in your account. Withdrawals are available daily on our platform, and there is no limit on the number of withdrawals you could do per day. Now, here's the question that we want to answer to, right? It says, for how long does it take to process a withdrawal? For security reasons, withdrawal requests are reviewed by our team and processed within 24 hours. Yep, that's pretty cool. Now, it says, are there any withdrawal fees? They say, no, there are no withdrawal fees, and there are no hidden fees either. All right, so that's pretty cool. I like this right here. Now, I just got another email that said my withdrawal request has been sent. So maybe I have received this withdrawal. Let me go in and check my wallet right now while I'm on the video with you guys, because it would be incredible if I'm able to tell you guys that I already received my withdrawal. Now, this withdrawal is happening right now. It's very early in the platform. Oh, it just hit my wallet. And there's no fees that came out of it. This is so sweet, right? So now I want to tell you guys that there's no guarantee that it's going to be this fast always. Usually with platforms, and I'm not saying that this one is going to be the same, but if I am going by historical things, right? Usually when a platform starts to gain some steam and they get a lot more users and subscribers on the platform, members on the platform, what typically happens is that you will see that sometimes these time frames will go a little bit longer just because of volume. That's because there are a lot more people requesting withdrawals and doing all that type of stuff. So just wanted to let you guys know that, just in case you guys that it would be always, 1 minute withdrawals and things like that, and which it could be. If it does that, then we're going to be happy. But if it doesn't, we're not going to be too upset. All right. So I just wanted to go over this withdrawal process since it was time for me to do a withdrawal. But also, guys, you know that I'm going to be coming back giving you all the sauce and all the details on everything about the platform so that you can be fully aware of what's going on with the platform, and so you can know how you want to participate if you want to participate in this platform, right? You guys know I'm not a financial advisor and I don't give financial advice, and nothing in any of my videos should be considered financial advice, but you also know that you know exactly how we're going to do it. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.